In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to line things up by hammering the spacebar, you've probably noticed it falls apart the moment you resize a column or paste new data. There's a clean, professional way to create consistent indentation that stays put, and it takes just a few clicks. Start by selecting the cells where you want the indent to appear. This can be a single cell, a whole column, or a mixed range, whatever fits your layout. With those cells highlighted, go to the top menu and open Format. From there, choose Number, and then select Custom Number Format. Think of this as the secret alignment menu. It tells Google Sheets exactly how to display what's in your cells without changing the actual content. In the Custom Format box, type a few spaces followed by the 8@ symbol, then click Apply. Those spaces act like a visual buffer, pushing the text to the right. The @ symbol is the placeholder that tells Sheets to display the original text exactly as it is. Together, they create a tidy indent that won't shift around when columns change width or when you insert more rows. You can adjust the depth of the indent by changing how many spaces you put before the key at. Start with 2 to 4 spaces and tweak as needed based on your column width and how much structure you want. If you're building a checklist or outlining subcategories, this approach keeps parent items and child items easy to scan. Apply one format with a small number of spaces for top-level items and a second format with a few more spaces for sub-items. It's still the same technique, just a different count of spaces. A few helpful notes as you work. This method affects the display, not the underlying data, so your formulas, filters, and sorting still work as expected. If you ever want to remove the indent, just return to Format, Number, Custom Number Format, clear the spaces and 8#, or switch the cells back to an automatic or plain text format. If you need the same indentation elsewhere, use the Paint Format tool to copy that display style in one click. For long entries, turn on text wrapping so your indented items stay visible without spilling into adjacent cells. That's all there is to it. Highlight your cells, open Format, Number, Custom Number Format, type a few spaces and an 8@, and apply. It's quick, clean, and perfect for checklists, outlines, and organized sheets that look great and stay aligned.